I can drive a car, I can walk. I couldn't walk before without, excruciating pain. So my life, the way you look at it, has really improved dramatically, and I'm very happy about it. My name is Henry, and I had a total right knee replacement with Dr. Jordan on January 3rd of this year, approximately 10 weeks ago, and it was one of the most enjoyable experiences I've had. It's turned out fantastic. I followed his instructions, and he kept me going slowly on it, and his idea was, I want you to have total flexibility, and he says, we're going to work on three things: motion, motion, and motion. And that's what I've done, and it's unbelievable the amount of motion I've got. The physical therapist that I worked with, he can't believe, and I don't think Dr. Jordan can believe, that the amount of motion and flexibility that I've been able to get so quickly. And so it's total great experience. And I know it's 100% Dr. Jordan's expertise. I've got mobility, no pain, and it just it's been an exceptional ride and journey that I'm very happy about. And I think Dr. Jordan has been the full reason for all this to happen.